All right, for our next problem, we are doing example 3. We have -4 divided by 5x plus 10 equals 3 divided by x plus 2. Now this is just like example 1 and 2, except we already have two fractions, so we're going to go ahead and start by cross multiplying. So I'm going to do -4 times x plus 2. I'll make sure you have more space for yours, and then on the other side we'll do 3 times 5x plus 10. We are going to start by distributing, so I'm going to do -4 times x is -4x, -4 times 2 is -8, and then the other side, 3 times 5x is 15x, and 3 times 10 is 30. From here, we're going to go ahead and solve for x, and I'm going to do that over here. So we have -4x minus 8 equals... okay, 15x plus 30. The first thing I'm going to do is add 4x to both sides so I can get all of my x's on the same side. When we do that, my 4x's cancel. We have -8 equals 19x plus 30. I'm going to move my 30 to the other side, so I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides. We get -38 equals 19x. My 30 is canceled. And then my last step is we'll divide by 19. And we get x equals, I gotta pull up my calculator, -38 divided by 19, which gives me -2. That will be my x equals. My very last step is to check for extraneous solutions. So extraneous means that solution doesn't work. It means that when I plug my solution back into my equation, I'm going to get something that's wrong. So I know we have -4 divided by 5 times 2 plus 10 equals 3 over 2 plus 2. So I'm going to simplify those both. Again, all I did here was I took, this should be a -2 and this should be a -2. I took this number, I plugged it into my original equation for x. So for my first fraction, we get -4 over -10 plus 10 equals 3 over -2 plus 2. If I simplify a little bit more, we have -4, -10 plus 10 gives me 0. Equals 3 divided by -2 plus 2, which is 0. Now here's my problem. I can't divide by 0. That does not work. It'll never work. It gives you a solution that's undefined. So what that means is that x minus 2, or x equals -2, is extraneous. It's a solution that doesn't work. Now the only other case where you'd have an extraneous solution is, let's say you plugged everything in and then you got an answer like 3 equals 4. Well, you know 3 does not equal 4, so that means my answer is also extraneous. If I got something like 3 equals 3 and that's true, that statement is true, then your answer would work and it would really be a true answer. It would not be extraneous. All right, thank you for watching. And again, if you don't have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher.